Hello beautiful people of the world, my name's David and I'm going to teach you how to make some Thai tea. So I just came back from Thailand not too long ago, my fourth time in Thailand, and I drink Thai tea pretty religiously over there, so I wanted to know how to make it when I came back to the States. Just so you guys know, Thai tea in Thai is chayen. So pretty easy, right? And of course, yeah, when I was in Thailand, man, I was drinking this like on the mean streets of Bangkok and the local streets of Dal Hun and even Nam Tam Buri. If you guys ever been there, pretty cool place. Really like it over there. So anyway, let me start out by just introducing you to some of the stuff I have here. First, very most important thing, tea sock. I saw the vendors use this all the time. Only ever seen in Thailand. I'm not a professional tea maker or anything like that. But I heard that the tea strainers, those metal mesh-looking things, might not work as good. But I guess if that's all you have, yeah, use what you have, right? But definitely try getting a tea sock. Definitely really good investment. And if you're in Thailand, hey, pick it up for 20 baht. So anyway, so we're going to be eventually using around 160 milliliters of water, which is about 2/3 of a cup. And one of the main reasons I've been doing this video, making this video, is because one, I haven't really found any good instructions online on how to make it. Like many people say, put 1 cup of water to 1 tablespoon of tea, and it's really not the same taste at all. Being that I've only drank tea in Thailand and maybe once or twice outside of Thailand, which wasn't nothing to talk good about. So another good reason to make tea on your own, right? So anyway, we're going to be using 160 milliliters of water and unsweetened evaporated milk. This is Thai brand, Falcon, and one of the most used ones that you'll see the vendors using out there. I haven't seen it in America, which brings me to this next one is Carnation, which you'll find here in America and all over Thailand, but this is the evaporated milk that you'll probably find more commonly. This is sweetened condensed milk, Carnation brand, also from Thailand, and delicious. Super delicious, if I may say so. Sugar, and of course the Thai tea. This is the Chatramu brand, very famous tea brand in Thailand. You've probably seen this package before, but in red. This one is slightly more expensive. I think it's mainly for the extra aroma and maybe stronger flavor of this version. And I think they also make like a green tea version. I've never tried that one before, but anyway, once this runs out, I pick up the red one because that's what I got down here. Also at the time, if you go to one of their stores or vendor shops, I got this little souvenir cup from Chatramu. Now, I don't know if it's because I'm a Farang or a foreigner in this case, they gave it to me or what, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyway, we're going to make this in two different sections. First, I'm going to mix this guy, and this guy together, and then we're going to do the tea with the water. Okay, so I'm just going to move this to the side for right now. As you can see, I have a pretty cool elephant cup that we're going to be stirring this stuff into. We don't need this, again, just for reference. All right, and boom. All right, so here we go. First, we're going to start with 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Oh, wait. I want this teaspoon. I don't know. Is this a teaspoon? I don't know what the hell it is, but anyway, this is a teaspoon to me, in my eyes. Okay, here we go. So slightly rounded. Boom. 1, 2. Now I'm just going to add just a tiny bit more for, just a tiny bit, because you want it to be a little more sweet than you're used to, because by the time you pour it onto the ice, after you finish mixing everything, it's going to be perfect sweetness, honestly, because the ice is going to kind of dilute it out of the way. Okay, now we want 2 teaspoons of unevaporated milk. I mean unsweetened evaporated milk. Whoa, too much. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, all right. Hang on. I just poured that too slowly. Okay, now we're going to do the condensed milk. 2 teaspoons as well. Alright. Don't put away the evaporated milk yet. We're going to come back to that in the end. Alright? So now we're just going to mix it up a little bit. Or a lot of it. You want to mix. Don't go too fast because it's going to get everywhere. That's why you want a little bigger cup like this, because you get too excited, right? Too excited. Alright. Alright, put that to the side now. And I'll be back with my hot water, so stay put. Alright, buddy. I got my hot water and I'm ready to do this. So I'm going to take a tablespoon, a generous tablespoon of Thai tea. Make it, you have like a little bit of mound there. Not too much, but it's still pretty generous, okay? Pop it in there. Voila. Put this sucker to the side. And we're actually going to take another Thai-inspired cup, a tiger, and we're going to kind of like pour it back and forth here in a moment. But what you want to do is you want to get the 160 milliliters of water, pour it right down the middle. Like that. Okay. What you want to do, you want to steep it a little bit, or a lot of it. The more you steep it, the more flavor it is. But for the sake of this video, it's still going to be good, but I don't want to do it too much. But, trial and error, guys. You got to try it, see how you like it, right? And the amount of tea, again, that I'm putting in here is the amount that fits perfectly into my cup. And it's a good portion size for any time you drink tea. So, all right. Now we're gonna take the other cup, and I'm not a professional here, so I don't have all these professional cups. I use what I got. So here we go. One. 2. 3. 4. One more time. 5 and 6. Okay, so for the final, we gotta take one of these salad dongs. Alright, we're gonna squeeze the juice. We're gonna squeeze the tea out. So we can drink this delightful beverage as much as possible. Alright, I'll put that to the side. Voila. Alright, here we go. Okay, now put this to the side as well. Take what you were mixing before, pour it in. Whoa, look at that, look at that color. I mean, trust me, the color is fantastic. Alright, let me clean my area. Alright, here we go. Now we're gonna mix it one more time again. Slowly, slowly. Okay, now what we want to do, we just kind of want to pour it back and forth, get some bubbles going. Don't know why, but they do this in Thailand. It's maybe like tenderize the Thai milk or something. But yeah, you can see the bubbles forming. Okay, I will be right back and get myself some ice. Okay, I'm back. All right, I got myself the ice. All right, don't need this stuff anymore. And we're just gonna pour right in. Whoa, absolutely perfect. Look at that. I'm telling you, 160 milliliters of water is perfect. And you actually want to top it off just with the hint of evaporated milk, just a little bit. Boom, boom, done. And voila, you have your Thai tea. And now it's time for the best part, is to actually enjoy it. So cheers, everybody. And thanks again for watching this video. Comment down below and let me know how you like it, if this recipe was good for you, or if it completely sucked. But anything you like, just go ahead and let me enjoy my tea, alrighty? So, the taste is freaking amazing. You know, this is why they call Thailand the land of smiles, right? Because of Thai tea and, of course, many other things. But yeah, Thai tea is definitely one of them. And so I will see you guys around, alright? Rock on!